Now, a few days back, I'd shown you two different modified 2020 Thars. Both of them had a lot of aesthetic as well as functional add-ons. But the one behind me, made by Bimra 4x4 for xbhp.com, is in a different league altogether. This could be India's most functional 2020 Thar. Now, I do agree that a lot of people out there in the market who are owners of the new Thar or who want to buy a Thar will be looking at modifications. The Thar is probably the most modified vehicle in India. The Swift used to have that tag, but I think the kind of modifications which are common on the Thar does make this the most commonly modified. This is made for XBHP. xbhp.com owns this one. Sunny or Sandeep Gajjar from XBHP, the owner of XBHP, he bought the Thar a few weeks back, and of course the best place to come for him to pimp up his Thar was Bimra. Bimra undoubtedly has to be the best name when it comes to modifications on the old Thar, new Thar or SUVs. And this one, guys, has been specially made by both Sunny's inputs and Tarun's inputs from Bimra to be functional, to look good and be useful for the kind of road trips that xbhp.com does. In fact, in a few days from now, they will be starting on a road trip around India, and this Thar will be used a lot on the road trip. So let me show you all the changes done one by one in this new modified Thar. This one, by the way, is the petrol automatic. You can see T GDI, Turbo GDI. It is the automatic version. No wonder from a biker, Sunny, from his point of view, it has to be a petrol vehicle, not a diesel one. So let me show you all the changes one by one, starting right away. Okay, so first things first, I will talk about the tires. This one is riding on stock tires from SEAT. Lovely tires for your normal or most of the needs all-terrain tires. No change in this, but Sunny has gone in for spacers. So spacers basically take out the wheels slightly. It's now matching to the side wheel arcs. So no modification done to the wheel size or the alloy wheels, but spacers are in here. By the way, this is an add-on which Sunny has fitted from the official showroom. The whole fender gets these small add-ons which are a common accessory for Thar at the back as well. So tires are stock. Now the bumper is the most commonly seen modification on the new Thar, and this one is no different. These are FRB ones, and as people have been asking me in the past, they are legally good in terms for the airbags. The sensors are working on this one, so in case you have a frontal collision, these will crack or they will crash, and the sensors at the back are definitely working. You have these different fog lamp LEDs over here, but the wiring is same. Likewise, the headlamp lights are completely different. For example, the indicators are on, you can see the LEDs, but the wiring is same, so your warranty is not affected. These are working shackles. They are bolted onto the chassis for proper dependability in case you want to pull out someone or someone is pulling you out. You also have these fog lamps from Light Force, again mounted onto the bumper. Very useful. The grill is stock over here. Sunny has not worked on the grill, so the stock grill remains, but yeah, the bumper gets you the FRP, the Line X treatment over here. Line X is very useful when you are off the road or you're hitting some shrubs or bushes. No scratches, so in the long run, Line X definitely is a very handy thing. You have these deflector on the bonnet, helps to deflect off small stones flying on from other vehicles. So if something flies on from the road, this flies further on and does not hit your windscreen or your bonnet over here. Now, talking on the windscreen, you can definitely make out a change over here. Yes, this is a snorkel and a functional working snorkel. It goes inside to the air intake over here. So yeah, in case Sunny wants to go off the road into deeper water wading stretches, this definitely will come in handy. So the front is all about this: the circular LED lights for indicators, the bumper, fog lamps, the Line X coating. Now on the side is where all the functional elements come in. I have been saying this word again and again. This is a very functional Thar. So what all has been added? Well, I will start with this right away. Now, on road trips, if you want to be connected to your world, or if you are a blogger, or if you have a website, or a YouTuber, or a person like Sunny who cannot do away from his laptop, well, this is a laptop holder of sorts. You open this like this. By the way, it's all metal. It's no flimsy stuff over here. This is a working, functional area you can keep your laptop like this. Look at this, look at this. The kind of ideas that have gone in making this Thar, I am very impressed. And again, not only a laptop, it can take on some decent weight. You want to put your snacks, your bottle, whatever you want on the move in the middle of nowhere, you have this right away. I'll keep it like this only. You have these ladders on either side, this and this coming here. Now again, it is bolting onto the chassis over here from inside the bumper. The rear bumper is stock. This one is bolted onto the chassis as well as on the upper part. I show you this, so in case even a person like me who weighs over 100, I want to get up and climb, I can do it very easily. You go up, and on that part I'll come in a while. Let me go to the other side. By the way, you have this proper working tow hook as well, rated to 5000 lb. We had shown this when I was working at 91 wheels earlier on some of the other Thars. So very easy to take out from here. You can pull this out, you can tow someone, and the rating is very good, 5000 lb over here. On the other side, you also have a similar ladder going up. On the left side was a much lower, you can climb in. This again is bolted to the chassis, so yeah, it is very sturdy. You want to use this to hang on, you can do that. You have two jerry cans coming in, one on this side, one on the top, and again proper branding. It's a 4x4 vehicle. This looks nice. The outside part again is metal, it's not plastic, it's not fiber, so in the long run, very dependable, very usable. Back to this side, so you climb over here, you can go access the second jerry can. This one again, it's plastic, not metal. The other one is metal, and you have lockable spaces, one long till the width of the car and two over here. I'll show you. Let me try to climb up. By the way, this is a very useful, handy thing. In case I want to keep my foot over here and climb up, I can do it quite easily from here or from here, and this is the kind of view you get. So your jerry can, your lockable metal cases, very good to put your stuff, your luggage, and you have various hooks for this. This you can pull down, and of course it's lockable right over here. So the lock comes in, and of course the hook also comes in. The entire upper part is metal. It is again not fiber, not plastic. Very helpful, very usable in the long run. Likewise, if someone wants to be on the top, photographer or camera person, he can come in over here. These are grab handles, or you can probably sit, crouch, and on the move you can shoot other vehicles from the top of this Thar. Very helpful, functional, added feature for your road trips. You are following a convoy, you want to shoot them, get on top, and you are sorted. So the bigger storage box on the roof boxes looks like this, and you have the two secondary ones. All three are lockable. You can see the lock over here, and for additional safety you have these buckles on the side. Things on the inside, well, the insides are largely stock, not much changes on the inside. If I go in, I show you that there is an armrest with 3 switches. Now one is dummy right now, can be used in the future. One is for the camera right over here, and third is for the light. So this is the only change I see up front. However, at the back, something in store to again make this very practical for your long trips. This is a folding sort of laptop table. It attaches over here with this, and you put it down. If you take the seat back, this one will hit against the armrest, and hence you'll have a secure place to keep your laptop. You can work. Both the armrests, they have enough space, storage space. They have the cup holders, and they also have power outlets coming in over here. So power outlet, something everyone needs on the move for your cameras, for your laptops. So you have your armrest, you have your power outlets, you have your cup holders, and the same space can be a resting spot for your laptop table on the move. Also, the hardtop you see over here is not the factory original fit. This has been completely remade. It is FRP. So it came as a hardtop during purchase, but this is a completely new thing. Linex iske upar bhi hai. It is finished Linex coating, and on the inside, if you remember how the stock Thar looks like, this is completely different. You can see there is more insulation given on the top part. Let me take up the seat. Yeah. So this is how the new hardtop looks like. So you have more insulation, you have these sound absorbing materials. So I'm assuming that on the move, especially on cemented expressways, the amount of noise coming in will be far less. This has been retained, of course. This has been retained, the speakers over here. But this is new, as you can make out. This is not present in the normal Thar. That is also completely new. So yeah, the hardtop is new. If you have a soft top, you have a convertible, or you want a new hardtop, Bimbra can do this for you as well. So if you look closely, this is the front camera over here in the front bumper. So this one has both the front and the rear cameras, and display is right over here. Sorry for the sun. Display yahan pe aata hai, and you can turn this on off from the switch as well. So this was the modified Thar from Bimbra for XBHP. You want to get in touch with Bimbra for your modification needs, or anything you want to know, the costing or ideas to get your Thar or your SUV pimped up, guys, you can contact Bimbra. The details are in the description section below. Call them up, take my reference, and possibly get a better deal. As for now, this is really good. People modify their Thar for aesthetics, for the road presence, but this one is so much more better in terms of being super functional. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.